Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to guide you how you can easily access and play open beta for your Battlefield 2042. So what you want to do is pretty simple. Just write Battlefield 2042 on Steam, and then you're gonna see, just write this to Google. Then you would see pre-purchase Battlefield, and there are two steps to access actually Battlefield 2042. First thing first, you need to buy the game, and then you can play the beta. So when I would go right here and I would go like this, you need to buy the game for your Steam account, and then you need to request the access. In the moment when you're going to request the access, they are going to automatically allow you to play it, but you need to buy the game to access open beta. There is no other way around it. And then, like when you're going to buy it, I'm going to show you also my library right now, and you can clearly see that I got open beta here, and I got also Battlefield 2042 here. And then when you're going to click play, what will happen? You will get automatically to your origin account that you will automatically download thanks to Steam. And then when I see reload game library or my home, and I have like here, look at this. So I have the Steam, this is the preload, the open beta, and this is the open beta, and this is the normal game. You need to have both. And then when I'm going to click here on a Battlefield 2042 open beta, I'm going to click play. And now let's wait how it's going to start. That it actually works. But this is pretty much how we need to do it. And let's just wait until it loads. And then you got it. So if you're gonna have any questions, guys, okay, now you will be able to see it. Ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you, provide you some guidance and support. You know how it goes, you know how it is. And yeah, space to play, continue, and here we go. So now if you're gonna have only open beta, you won't be able to access Battlefield. You need to buy the game. And yeah, have a great day, guys, and goodbye. See ya.